Alright, also here is day 13 of my custom MOC advent calendar. I decided to wrap it, so let's open it up. Let's see what it is. It's just this. It's waiting on a snowboard. Or is that a ski? I'm not sure. I think it's a snowboard. Well, here it is. I decided to start wrapping them since we're at day 13 and Christmas is in 12 days only. Yep. Well, thank you for watching. And you know I'll be back tomorrow because I've been doing this for the past 2 weeks now. And I do 6 videos each day. So check them out. We're halfway done. We're over halfway done, actually. Well, we'll see you guys tomorrow. And remember, come back tomorrow.